What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is about some stocks that's on fire. I got to make sure that we touch on it just so you can see what's really going on, okay? Listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Thank God it's Monday, guys. You already know it gives us a chance to get back in our bag and do what we do. Look at this, guys, on the day. Again, currently up a little bit over 2%, made about $3,000 on the day as of right now, okay? Of course, it could turn. Of course, it could continue to go up. However, that is why we don't get caught up in day-to-day fluctuations, okay? It's best to have a longer term outlook on your investment so that you're not caught up wondering why a play isn't taking off every single day, okay? Listen, guys, today I have a few plays that I just want to do an overview on to show you what's really going on, okay? I put you guys in these plays that we're going to review today at the beginning of the year because I told you that these would be your winners, okay? And so I'm very interested in knowing how many of you are even in these plays and are winning massively inside of these plays. Without further ado, let's take a look at it. Listen, guys, you all know at the beginning of the 2021 100K challenge, there were a bunch of stocks that I told you that will be a part of our journey. And of course, we're going to always be adding more throughout the journey. However, the original plays for the 2021 journey was these ones right here, in which we are going to dive into momentarily. Kicking things off is Macy's, currently sitting at $16.43. You guys already know we had a $20 price target on this one. It hit the home run already, shooting up as high as $22.30 to be exact. Another home run. Shout out to those of you that were able to take profits. My limit sell order didn't go through on this one. However, it doesn't matter. I'm still up 61%. I remember so many people questioning the Macy's play, not understanding how investing works or how the stock market works. But to those of you that sent it, major salute, keep making money. Next, guys, that's killing the game is Dropbox, ticker symbol DBX. Currently sitting at $23.87. It is up over 1.5% on the day. I want to point out to you how you dominate the stock market. I told you guys, I've been doing this probably better than anybody for a long time. All I want to do is help you guys do the same. This is how you do it. It's not going to be your sexy plays that are going to pop in the market like this. This is why I put you guys on this way in December so that you can be winning today. Let's take a look at what we're doing. Sitting at 145 shares, average cost of $21.89. Listen, guys, I'm ready to add more to this. This has yet to fall below $21.89 so I can even build out the position bigger. That says a lot about picking great plays. Next, we have American Airlines. I told you, as a recovery play, as a reopening play, airlines and cruise lines would dominate in 2021. You don't have to like these plays. You don't got to like Macy's. You don't have to like American Airlines. But when you know how to make money, I'm hoping you guys like that. Sitting at $21.49, it is up 5% on the day. We have currently at 230 shares of this, $14.85 average cost. I hope you guys are killing it. I hope you guys appreciate just somebody that give you the game, tell you when to buy these plays on the low. And that's another thing. Always check the average cost. People can bandwagon, copy your plays, but that average cost don't lie. Very few people can go back and say they can have this or told you guys about this. Over 500,000 people at $14.85 and got everybody in it. Same thing with Macy's at 10. Okay, we can do this for days. Next, Wells Fargo. I also told you way back in December, going into the new year, that financials would take over 2021. Just like everything else I have told you, this is doing its thing. Currently sitting at $38.46, up over 2.5% on the day. Currently sitting at 51 shares of this, up 30% right now in this particular play. Next, we have Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA, sitting at $48.55. This is up almost 3%. This is our healthcare play. That's another thing, guys. Not only do we have the best stocks and we make the most money out of anybody on YouTube. We also are the most diverse. I cover every sector. We're not going to just always be in EV plays, losing money in those. We're going to always make sure that we're diverse and dominating. This is how we do it on a consistent basis. Please let me know if you got these plays. Next is Bank of America, another financial play. You guys already know. Same thing I said for Wells Fargo applies to this. I told you financials would dominate in 2021. And that's just a few plays that's on fire, guys. Listen, I try to tell you all the time about finding a trusted voice that's going to help you win, help you make money, help you grow, help you build wealth, and ultimately, hopefully help you guys lead a corporate plantation and retire early. This is what I do. I don't know nobody that picked these plays, told you about these plays as early as we play. Always check the proof in the pudding. Average cost. Always look at that. That'll let you know how early we were in these plays before anybody else. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is sector rotation. Listen, it's important for you to understand that we are not in the clear yet, okay? Today was a decent day. It wasn't nothing to write home about, not to get too happy about, okay? However, a sector rotation is still on the mend. However, they're rotating into the plays that already put us in back in 2020 when we were beginning this 2021 100K challenge, okay? So the money will be where we're at already, okay? The home runs will be in the plays we're in. This is where the world is coming. This is where the money is coming, okay? I hope you guys appreciate just always being ahead of the curve. I hope you guys understand how massive that is as opposed to you buying these plays late. Nope, we got back in these. Go watch every video. You can look at the 2020 end of the year videos to see how these were put on your radar so far in advance that you guys should be up 30, 40, 50, 60% in these plays alone. And this is how you dominate even in a correction. If you want to call this a crash, look at how we're doing in a crash versus how some other people that might be in all EV plays are doing. It's important to understand that, guys. And so a sector rotation is what is happening now. However, they're rotating to the plays we're already in on our 100K challenge. Let's keep dominating. Let's keep up the good work. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Mohammed Belzi. Chris, all of the guys on YouTube are never giving guidance on when to buy or sell. They don't follow up on any stocks. The crazy thing is they call every stock, but you distinguish between quick plays and long-term investments. All love and respect for you. Mohammed, I appreciate this comment, man. Listen, I too see that as well, guys. It's easy to just run out here and yell out a bunch of stocks or go to your average website and just call out the same stocks that's sitting on Yahoo Finance. Very few. I don't know any. So if you guys know some that's putting it down the way we put it down, please let me know. I'll salute them. But I don't see any doing the way we do, okay? And so he's 100% right. Not only do we get the stock, we hit the home run in the stock. We update each other on the stock. We look at our progress. We cover the losses. We cover the up days. Nobody's doing that, guys. And again, it's a reason we have the best community on YouTube. It's a reason we make the most money on YouTube, okay? And it's the reason the most people are having the most success with us on YouTube. Major salute for sending this. Real recognized, real. I appreciate it because in the midst of all of this, we're going to have some up days. We're going to have some down days. That's just part of the cycle of the stock market. Embrace it all. Understand that everything is temporary when it comes to the down days. And we'll be back doing what we do on a consistent basis, guys. Listen, if you have comments or questions, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.